The 2018 Toyota Rav4 and 2018 Chevy Equinox are two popular small SUV crossovers which you may be considering. The two are similar in size, performance, and utility. However, there are several key differences, especially with overall cost and safety features, where the Rav4 beats the Equinox. Comparing similar trim levels, the 2018 Toyota Rav4 has an MSRP of over $2,400 less than the 2018 Chevy Equinox. The Rav4 is safer. It's an IIHS top safety pick. The Equinox is not. The Rav4 also earned a higher NHTSA overall rating, 5 stars compared to the Equinox's 4 stars. Down the road, the Rav4 will cost you less. Additionally, the Rav4 holds its value better than the Equinox. It'll be worth more after 3 years. The Toyota Rav4 also comes with standard features like pre-collision system, dynamic radar cruise control, and lane departure alert. And the Rav4 has much more cargo space than the Equinox, almost 10 cubic feet more. These are just some of the key advantages of the 2018 Rav4 for you to consider. For more information, visit your local dealer.